Hello everyone, this is Amit Chaudhary. I'm a senior support consultant at Even Solutions. I'm going to show you when you are getting the error for the extender when upgrading the GP from 18.18 to like a newer version of the GPU like 18.2 or newer, or whatever like the version that you have it earlier like before the 18.2, and upgrading to the newer version of the GPUs like 18.2 and newer. If you are getting the error says like cannot change the operation on the table, extender windows failed accessing the SQL data for when upgrading the GP. So it's mostly like that, in 18.2, right? uh Extender 18.2, we have added a couple of fields like from 16 to 30, and those are like missings in the table, or maybe they are existing to the table but they are not like upgraded for the store procedure. Okay, so there are two things that you have to do it. Okay, you have to check the table. This is the Windows table ext 20100, and check it against your database, the company database. And if you see the field like say from 16, like field IDs underscore 16 to 20, if you 30, if you see those fields, then you have to upgrade it. Means like the table is upgraded correctly. You have to go here like the tools, maintenance, and this one you have to select your company. It says like this, and you have to choose the extender, select all of it, and you have to choose that this drop auto store procedures and create auto store procedures. Okay, and this will show you like list of the object selection. Do not select the drop table and create table, because the tables are already upgraded from the 16 to 30 fields. We have to just create the store procedures from this one, like drop those store procedures with the older version and upgrade it with that new version. Okay, but do not select the drop table and create. If you see the tables, if you see the fields from 16 to 30, okay, this is way. If you don't see those fields, which means those mostly like these tables are not updated, make sure you will have the backup of your company database including the dynamics. Then you have to go to here to the tools, integration, extender, and then upgrade, choose your company, and then process. This mostly upgraded your table from that 15 fields to the 20. So when it is browsable, you can see it here like the extender. You can see your fields are like it's up to date. Thank you.